Hi, it's me. I'm Leah. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are cooking steamed mussels. Mussels are found in the Mediterranean, and every culture surrounding the Mediterranean has a dish that involves them. So, this is how we do it. Steamed mussels, as per se, aren't so flavorful, so we are doing a vinaigrette, which is the punch of the dish. So if you come with me, I'll show you how to make them. To prepare the mussels, the first thing we have to do is rinse them and get rid of all the hairs they have all over them. Pretty simple, but this is how you do it. Once the mussels are all clean, you can transfer them onto the pot that you'll be using to steam them. Then, on a cutting board, slice one full lemon. Now, place it on the pot as well. Take an onion. I'm using a sweet onion, but you can use whatever onion you have on hand. And thinly slice it as well. Once it's sliced, you can incorporate it on the pot as well. Add 1/3 of a cup of water into the pot. Place the lid on and turn off the heat. Then shake the pot a bit so that all the mussels get evenly cooked. Once you see that the mussels start to open, that's your cue. They are cooked. Easy, right? What gives the punch to this recipe is the vinaigrette. To prepare the vinaigrette, thinly chop one onion. I'm using a sweet onion. I really recommend using a sweet onion for this one. Then, place the onion in the recipient of your food processor. Use 1 teaspoon of mustard, a drizzle of balsamic vinegar, and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Add a pinch of salt and blend it all together. It's ready. So now you can place it on a bowl. And that's it. This is the full recipe. Easy, isn't it? So don't be shy and try it. It's super easy and super refreshing in summer. So here you have it. This is how we eat mussels at home. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you have any suggestions, give like and subscribe if you want to see more of our videos. As always, the complete ingredients and measurements will be linked in the description box down below and also in my blog. I hope to see you for the next one. And remember, put some Mediterranean flavor in your lives.